Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Faris Aulia Ramadan with name 2024 32065 from class B. Here I will explain about the third lab report. A simple linear regression. One simple linear regression is a statistical method for modeling the relationship between one independent variable x and one dependent variable y in the form of a straight line. This method is used to estimate the value of the dependent variable based on the value of the independent variable, as well as to test whether there is a significant relationship between the two variables. A formula: Y dependent or prediction variable whose value or effect will be influenced by the independent variable. X independent variable or that which affect the independent variable. A intercept or constant, the value of y when x is 0. B regression coefficient or slope of the line, which shows the change in y for each unit change in x. B regression coefficient formula. B, the formula above calculates the slope by considering the variation of x and y from their average. The greater the deviation of x and y from the average, the greater the slope. Or B, C intercept A with sum of all y values, sum of all x values. B, gradient of the regression line previously calculated and number of days. D, predicted y value. A is the intercept the value of y when x same 0. B is the slope of the regression line, which shows the average change in y for each unit change in x. X is the average value of x. Y is the average value of y. A, error or residual. Error is the difference between the actual y value and the y value prediction by the regression model. Residual is a practical representation of the error calculated from real data. Residual helps us evaluate how well the regression model can explain the data. Y actual y value, y predicted y value, y same a plus bx. B dependent and independent variable. One dependent and independent variables are two important concepts in research. An independent variable is a variable that influence occurs change in another variable, with a dependent variable is a variable that is influenced by the independent variable. A independent variable or X definition: a variable that stands alone, that doesn't depend on other variables, and is considered a cause or factor that influence other variables. Example: in a study on the effect of study time on exam scores, study time is the independent variable, usually written with the symbol x. A dependent variable or y definition: a variable that is influenced or is the result of the independent variable. Example: in a study on the effect of study time on exam scores. Exam scores are the dependent variable, usually written with the symbol y. C. Regression result graph. 1. Regression result graph is a visualization used to display the relationship between independent variables and dependent variables in a regression model. A. Scatter plot displays the relationship between independent variables and dependent variables in the form of dots on a graph. This helps to see whether there is a linear or non-linear pattern and to identify outliers. B. Residual plot display the difference between the values prediction by the model and the actual values. C. Histogram displays the frequency distribution of residuals. This is used to evaluate the assumption of residual normality. D. Normal probability plot displays the distribution of residuals in a normal probability scale. A. Plots relating independent variables to residuals shows the relationship between its independent variable and the residuals. D. Pearson's correlation coefficient or R and determination coefficient or multiplier. 1. Pearson correlation coefficient is a measure of how strong the linear relationship is between two variables, while the determination coefficient is the score of the Pearson correlation coefficient and indicates the proportion of variation in the independent variable that can be explained by the independent variable. A. Pearson correlation coefficient definition. The Pearson correlation coefficient measures the strength and direction of the linear relationship between two variables. Value if its value range from -1 to +1. Values approaching +1 indicate a strong positive correlation. If one variable increases, the other variable tends to increase. B. Coefficient of determination or multiplier. Definition. The coefficient of determination is the square of the Pearson correlation coefficient. The value range from 0 to 1. A value close to 1 indicates that the regression model. A value close to 0 indicates that the regression model cannot explain much of the variation in the independent variable. A. Practical steps. SPSS research. Regression. Regression is a statistical method used to analyze the relationship between one or more independent variables, free variables, and dependent variables, bound variables. Syntax is the rules that determine how one's phrases, clauses, and sentences should be arranged in a language to form valid and meaningful sentence. Descriptive statistics is a branch of statistics that functions to describe or depict the characteristic of the data that has been corrected. Correlation is a statistical measure that describes how strong and how the relationship is between two or more variables, assigned or removed. In regression analysis refers to a table showing the independent variables or predictors that are inserted or removed from the regression model during the analysis process. A model summary is a summary of a statistical model. The summary usually contains important information about the model, such as the model name, model type, model formula, and additional statistics. ANOVA stands for Analysis of Variance, a statistical method used to compare the means of two or more groups. A coefficient is a number that is multiplied by a variable in an equation or algebraic expression. Collinearity diagnostics are procedures used to detect and measure the level of collinearity or multicollinearity among independent variables in a regression model. In statistics, a residual is the difference between the actual observed value and the value predicted by a model. Cards are visual representations of data that use symbols such as bars, lines, or lines in a diagram. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.